That ain't bad. 225 out the freaking door.
Can I just look at that? Can I see that one? Yeah, that's sweet. It's got great reviews on it. Do you need my driver's license? Thank you.
I'm sitting right here.
Wow, that's super light.
Yes, it is.
There's a lot of good reviews on this gun.
Yes, there is. Army went with it too.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm surprised how light it is. Well, that thing's sweet. Thank you.
No problem. Yep. So, the package.
You're welcome. Merry Christmas. Well, we're at the ammo side, big ammo side. That stuff goes bad.
These are the ones for there's a blackout one over here for 500. Blackout barrel.
Oh, this is a shotgun. Look. That's what I'm looking at. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's light.
Who's it made
Yeah.
by? Remington.
Remington, yeah, they make good guns. I love my. I'm a Remington 20 gauge. I love that thing. This is a semi-automatic.
What's he buying again? Woo! Let's see. We start with the gun, then we go
12
to
gauge.
then we go to dinner. How's that?
It's a short barrel. I wish the barrel's a little longer.
Yeah, very accurate.
You know how light that is.
Great warning on them.
Yeah, it is pretty light.
It's good for self-defense.
Especially when you get the 20 round drum clip.
That's nice. How much is it? It's not too bad.
You want to see it?
Today they were out the door at the $700 price. While they left, there's 3 that I got a break from my distributor for. So you're going home with a 9.
Cash money. You pay me cash for
Yeah.
$325.
Get the LC9. That's a good gun. I have that. It's a good gun. Brent has 2. I have one. Brent has 2 of those. It's a good gun. That's a good price. What is it? 225.
325.
That's because 225 jumped all over that. Still a good price though.
Identical to Brent.
Yeah.
want to have a look at it? Maybe you can do a little better on it.
What's that?
You might be able to do a little better on it. You can ask him.
Yeah, if you could.
I paid when they first came out. I paid $400 for mine. When the first year they came out.
You get the extended mag
Okay.
and the pouch. $300 at the door, it's yours. That will include everything: tax, transfer, everything.
Is that while we're here, or is that just like right now? Like when I have time to like, walk around?
Yeah,
a little
yeah,
bit?
yeah. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I'm not going
Do you have
anywhere.
a card or something by chance?
Yes. Yeah, look for the sign.
So I can find my way back.
There's a sign right there on the side.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, $300 cash, it's yours. And it's got a nice extended mag
Okay.
and a nice pouch with it.
Okay.
Thank you.
You should go see if you can make him an offer.
I would use these target practice.
I 100% want to go chase for mule deer out and make those there.
My ass was this is right now.
Going back to the spot.
Thank you. Oh, that's nice.
It is nice. It's not bad price either.
No.
Just with the night sights and stuff.
Look how light that is. That's nice. That's carryable, man.
It is. This is a police car. Police station. Former police will trade back in. I think I got one.
I don't blame you. Springfield. Made in Massachusetts.
Yeah.
Stainless steel. That was a good deal. Thank you. That's a heck of a deal.
Look, business card there. It's like bribe people. I'm a lift manager for Christ's sake. You're the worst. Now, if you pulled out like you're
Yours went fast.
apparently he must be talking to her and he goes, "What do you want for Christmas?" She just put, "Nah, I'm good."
How much
Yeah.
do you need yet, John?
I have 150 on me. So I'm gonna need close to 150.
So which way now?
I have to teach him. No means yes.
Are you coming home tomorrow or Monday?
Well, depends what kind of situation you're in. That's what you need to teach
Because I want to pay you back right away. I have the cash at home.
Make sure.
Here's 160.
All right, thank you.
They won't process it. That's how they verify
last fall earlier. Need it. You know, put the full salt for this last fall.
Oh, really?
So
Wow. There's
3 things that run off the background check. It's the last 4, which they already know. Spelling the last name and your date of birth. You can't verify all 3. You can't send it to someone else.
How did that guy?
That's on him. That's all. You know, that's his problem.
Yeah, because
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, yeah,
Nick,
no,
I was
I-
asking because it said optional. I didn't put it on there, and I just bought a gun 30 minutes ago. And he didn't ask anything on there.
Absolutely.
You need B down to C right now.
It's just B. Yeah, section B.
Here's 10, Mac. You give me, what do you give me, 160?
yeah,
So I'll give you 150 then.
I'll take a 150.
Hey, I'm sorry, man.
What's the money bags over here? You knew it was coming.
You both own boats. He owns multiple
You-
kayaks, and
You own a luxury boat. What are you talking about? You probably have a yacht. Or a yacht. I mean, a
I
yacht.
have a yacht.
Former
Yeah,
Josh.
it's called a Bayliner yacht. Brand new
Yeah, so
plow.
when are you gonna go tubing with us?
What? It was like the middle of the night. I'm like, what? What are you saying? That story is. She like sat up and started talking.
All right, thanks a lot.
I'm like, what? What's it called?
Put the 19 here and the 365 in here.
Brent, that's cool. Brent, check that out. That's cool. There you go, chrome one. That one's cool too.
475 for Apple. Wow.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Not like Aboriginal, homosexual dance competitions.
No.
Hey, Tammy? Oh, golly. That quick.
You're lower not being all the way.
I have a chance. I have experience. But I got that like 20 years ago. You can still sort of find it. Now they're he told us.
Right, there's the earth color one like you have.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's huge.
Is that out of the trunk of your car at range?
I was down in the back of my truck, right on top of the
Yeah,
bed.
just back the truck up to it.
Like 200 a year.
Thank you. I really enjoyed it.
Ooh, hey, look. Is this the Walther? Oh, looks like the Walther.
Not a lot.
My difference is doesn't fit free sites, yeah.
Hey, Brett.
It's the EC though, it's not the
Oh,
LC.
okay, I was gonna say.
I don't know if
That would have been funny.
But no, that's the EC. That's the cheaper one.
Yeah, what's this? See, that's the EC9 too, yeah. That's the EC9, it's not the LC9.
Oh, okay.
Josh, there's that brand you were talking about earlier. You're trying to tell.
About that one. Yeah, it's kind of like yours.
And I carry all black.
Okay. Me too. But my favorite color is blue.
Tiffany blue.
Is that what that is?
Any questions, sir?
Nope, just looking.
Any questions, buddy? No problem, my friend. Take your time.
That one's double stack. Double stack 12 rounds. Has the safety. It does hold 2 bags. There is a sig. That's the sig.
Brett, there's that pistol. I have. I gotta find that receipt yet. You're still interested?
It'd be nice for loading shit.
Yeah, I think it's the one. I looked at one safe yesterday. I have to look at my other safe. I think that's where it's at.
It's a little 22 like all day before. It doesn't.
They're all steel wheels. You think Maybe close the door for me.
That's cool looking.
What are you doing, man? What do you want? I don't know. Tell me what you want. I'm gonna help.
That's cool. I like that color.
Like,
300 blackout ink.
I made one for John.
Yeah, that thing's nice too, man.
Yeah, I made one for John. See if they can run around candle and everything. These are around this size. I made mine on I love this day we were laughing. Mennonite lady, she's selling gun parts and cookies.
I saw that. I saw that too.
Jam.
Oh, yeah. Funny.
Here's some jam and air. Yeah, you never.
Scary in a way.
That's right, Katie. It's going to be reverse skin outside the waist skin, but the clips inside as well. Let me see the cut off if I have an option. Oh, okay.
Oh, that's really light. How much are these?
65 outside the waistband and inside.
Okay. Thank you. Brent, what $65 on a freaking plastic holster?
I know.
That's insane. It's freaking plastic.
Trash.
I've only seen one M17 here so far.
Really?
And we wanted $600 for it. But I only seen one so far. You'd think they have a bunch of those here. $300 blackout. See that? That's cool looking. There's your next build.
Yeah.
That's cool looking. That's nice. Price tag isn't. Brent, remember I was telling you about this? Remember I was telling you about that? There's YouTube channels that show you how to make that. You could do that in your garage, but don't get caught. Brent, check this out. Double barrel
Double barrel.
50.
Get the hell out.
That's cool. I'll take a picture of that.
I don't think it's pro line or anything like that. It's just regular long steel.
That's a shame for that, man. I've seen better days. Brent, see, that's a shame. I've seen better days.
Oh yeah, the SKS. Yeah, it's pretty.
I'll have to get one of those again.
I know. That's what I said to Denise. I said we should buy them for $150 back in the day.
I know. I should never have sold
I
mine.
know. I shouldn't have sold mine either.
Got paid $180 for mine. I got a whole bunch of ammo with it.